Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you one of SellerPic's most essential features that every e-commerce seller needs, the background remover function. This powerful tool offers two distinct modes, auto and manual, each designed to meet different background removal needs. Let me first introduce the auto mode. It features 6 intelligent background removal options: default, portrait, product, clothing, hair, and avatar. Each option is optimized for specific types of images. For example, if you're working with product photos, simply select the product mode. For fashion items, the clothing mode will give you the best results. For today's demonstration, I've uploaded a photo of a pair of sneakers with a cluttered background. Since this is a product shot, I'll select the product mode. The AI will automatically analyze the image and remove the background with precision, maintaining all the important details of the sneakers. But what if you need more control over what stays and what goes? That's where manual mode comes in. This mode gives you precise selection tools to mark exactly which objects you want to keep. Once you've made your selection, just click Generate, and the AI will remove everything outside your selected area. The best part? Whether you choose auto or manual mode, the AI's precision is incredible. It can handle even the most intricate details, from thin straps and strings to transparent elements and fuzzy textures. This means your products will maintain all their detail while the background disappears completely. Let's try both modes to see them in action. First, I'll use auto mode with the product setting for our sneaker photo. Just watch how quickly and accurately it removes the background. Perfect. Look at the result. The sneakers stand out beautifully against a clean, transparent background. Notice how the AI has preserved every detail: the shoelaces, the texture of the fabric, even the small perforations in the leather. The edges are clean and precise, with no awkward artifacts or jagged lines. Now let's try manual mode with another product. This time, I'll carefully select the areas I want to keep using the selection tools. After making my selection, I'll click Generate. And there we have it. The background is gone, leaving only the precisely selected elements. Here's a pro tip. Once you've removed the background, SellerPic gives you several options for what to do next. You can download the image with a transparent background for maximum flexibility, or you can instantly place your product against a pure white background, a colored background, or even a gradient, all without leaving the platform. Background removal is essential for creating professional product listings that meet marketplace requirements. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy often require products to be displayed against a pure white background, and SellerPic makes achieving this standard effortless. Clean, consistent product images not only help you meet marketplace requirements, but also significantly improve your conversion rates. Studies show that professional product images with clean backgrounds can increase sales by up to 30% compared to cluttered, unprofessional photos. The background remover tool is perfect for all types of products: clothing, accessories, electronics, home goods, and virtually anything else you might sell online. With both auto and manual modes at your disposal, you can handle any background removal challenge that comes your way. If you're looking to elevate your product photography and save countless hours of editing time, SellerPic's background remover is an absolute must-have. It delivers professional results in seconds, whether you prefer the simplicity of auto mode or the precision of manual mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing e-commerce tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.